Good day, everybody. Mr. Hogan finally back. Good to see you all again. These are the announcements for Monday, January 31st, 2022. On the birthday list today, I have three. That would be Kevin Andrew, Nolan Patterson, and Mrs. Snyder. So happy birthday to all three of you. If you see them in the hall, say hello and happy birthday. On the lunch menu today, our lunch options are chicken or cheese quesadilla, cheeseburger, or breaded chicken sandwich. These items are offered with steamed corn, refried beans, garden bar, and assorted fruit. Of course, your additional daily options are jumbo PB&J, assorted sub sandwiches, assorted box salads, yogurt and sweetbread, and of course, hummus and pita bento box. In the news today, attention MLC Mustang Leadership Club. Please plan to attend our meeting on February 8th, 2022. We will meet in the WMS Commons from 3:15 to 3:55 p.m. Please ensure you have a ride arranged. Please see Mrs. Stratton or Mrs. Toman with any questions. Last week's Spurs Focus was being respectful in the hallways. We selected two 7th graders who went above and beyond that week. They would be Tobel Gilletto and Angela Estefez were selected as the Spurs Students of the Week. They were both nominated by 7th grade team for always following expectations in the hallways. Congratulations. This week's Spurs Focus is being respectful in the cafeteria. An example of this is following the expectations of the kitchen staff and teachers supervising the lunch. All right, gang, again, good to see you all again. And of course, there's only one thing left to do. Of course, you know what it is. You haven't forgot. Last but not least, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.